In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive syncing your desktop icons in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If your desktop icons keep changing positions, duplicating across devices, or disappearing when you're offline, it's often because OneDrive is backing up and syncing your desktop folder. In Windows 11, there's a quick, safe way to turn that off, so your desktop becomes local to this PC only, while leaving the rest of OneDrive working as usual. Start by opening OneDrive from the taskbar. Look to the bottom right of your screen, near the clock, for the small cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons, and it should be there. You can also open OneDrive from Start if the icon isn't visible yet. Once the OneDrive panel appears, click Help and Settings, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, switch to the Sync and Backup tab. This is where OneDrive manages PC folder backup. You'll see a section called Backup Folders. Click Manage Backup to view which folders are currently being backed up to the cloud. Here you'll see toggles for common folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. To stop your desktop icons from syncing between devices, turn off the desktop folder backup. When you do, OneDrive will prompt you to confirm. Choose to stop backing up desktop. This only affects the desktop folder. It doesn't sign you out of OneDrive or remove your files from your PC. Give it a moment to apply the change. Your desktop may briefly refresh as Windows updates the folder location. After this, any new shortcuts or files you place on the desktop will live locally on this computer and won't sync to other devices. Your Documents and Pictures folders will continue to back up if they were already enabled, unless you choose to change those later. A few helpful tips here. If you've been using multiple PCs, remember that each computer's desktop is now independent, so icons won't mirror between machines anymore. If you open File Explorer and want to confirm the change, the desktop folder should now point to this PC rather than a OneDrive path. Also, if your device is managed by an organization, some options may be locked by policy. In that case, check with your administrator. If you ever want to reverse this, just return to OneDrive Settings, open the Sync and Backup tab, go back to Manage Backup, and turn the desktop toggle on again. And that's it. You've cleanly stopped OneDrive from syncing your desktop icons in Windows 11 while keeping the rest of your cloud setup intact.